Hi guys, this is JV. I'm doing the recap for day 15 in the simulator. Today was a green day and I'm happy with the way I trade today. I was really thinking about my setups and I think I trade really good today, so I'm proud of that. I made $200. I was up a little bit more, but I end up giving back some profits at the end of my trading day. So let's go each by one. The first trade I took was on CS. So I took an opening range break up. Let's see the first 5 minute candle. So yeah, the first candle was like a hammer. So I wasn't sure about this taking it to the downside. So I take it to the long side a little bit late. I took it here, and then I took profits here, and I was hoping that this was going to be going to going longer, but then I exit the rest of my position here at 9:37 at 25.56. Oh yeah, right here, and the last I got out. Yeah. So yeah, I took profits here, and then when the price went against me, I covered the rest, and then I took a short because I saw, okay, this was a round number 26, and then the price was going to go down, and then it was like an opening range breakdown of these 5 minutes. So I took the opening range break up, made some profits, and I also took the opening range breakdown, but it was only 100 shares because I wasn't sure about it. So I took it there, and then I took some profits here and 25.5. Yeah, I think that I covered some here, but it's not very clear. So I made the opening range here, then I yeah, well, this was not too big of a trade, but yeah, I made some money there. And then I went to SQ at 9:40, 9:44, 9:44. So I'm proud today because I wasn't taking simultaneous trades. I was focusing on one trade at a time. So then I went to SQ, and on SQ I take 9:40. Yeah, I was taking a short here. So yeah, I was also checking the 1 minute chart. So this looks like an ABCD. I mean, this is A, this is B, C, and I went short when almost at the D point when this level broke. So I went short there, 200 shares, and I covered some here, and I covered the rest here for the break even. Then I went back to CS at 9:49, 9:49 right here. Yeah, I was also taking an ABCD here. I mean, this is the A, B, C, and here D. I almost took it exactly the same as SQ. I was waiting for this level to break. So I took the trade here. The level did break, and I covered some here and here. Yeah, so I made more profit there. Then I went back to SQ at 9:57 right here. I took a short, and well, yeah, I took a short there, because I saw, okay, this is like a VWAP false breakout. I know I have to see the 5 minute chart for that, but I wanted to anticipate the move, because once it was going down and losing the VWAP, I take the short there. But as soon as the price came up, I exited really quick, and it was a good exit because after that the price went up. So not too much. I didn't lose or make in that trade. Then I went back to SIAS at 10. At 10, I took a long. I took a long here because I mean I saw in the 5 minute I took a short here because this was a new. I mean the price couldn't make a lower low, so I was hoping for a reversal, which indeed happened. But I took it the long right here at 10, and I could have taken profits here to the VWAP, but I wasn't fast enough, so the price went against me, and I exit here. It was only 100 shares. Then I at 10:14 at 10:14. Once I saw that the VWAP was a resistance, and this, I mean, I took a short here, 300 shares. 300 shares right here because I saw this rejection wick, and when the price started to be red, I went short right here. I mean, I went short right here at 10:10. When this level was going to make a new low of the day, I went short. That was a good short. I think I added more here. Yeah, I added a little bit more there, and then well, I have to check that again. So I went at 10:14. Sorry, 10:14 here. I went short. Then at 10:18. Then I added more on this pullback. I added more, and then I covered some here. I mean I was afraid this price action this was not selling off really quick, so I covered some here for profit, but then the price went down. I covered more here, and then I covered more here. So that was a good trade. I mean, I could have been more patient, could have put my stop loss above this moving average, and I could have taken profits down the road, but yeah, that was okay. Then I went to SQ at 10:32. Yeah, right here. I was hoping for it to break this level, because it was, I mean, you see the 5 minute, it was trying to go below the VWAP, but then they were pushing the price up. But then I give it a chance here. I went short here, and then yeah, I think I added more somewhere there. Then I exit here because I was, I mean, I went short here, then I added more here, and then I take some of my position out to ease my position, so I exit some here. But as soon as this level was broken, I added more here in this. I added more here, and then I covered here and here. So I made some profit there. Then I went back to SIAS at 10:56. 10:56. Oh yeah, this was, I mean, at this point I was almost like $250 up, and then I was, the first trade I took, I saw the price was rejected in the VWAP, and I said, okay, the VWAP is a good resistance point, so if I take the trade here to the short side, then the VWAP was my stop loss. I took it here, then I got stopped out here. And then when I saw this going above the VWAP, I took the long side and I was thinking, okay, the VWAP is going to act as support, and my stop loss was in the VWAP, then I got stopped out. And I made this like 3 times, didn't work. Finally, the price went a little bit up. I mean, right now it went up, but then it's really choppy. It's just chopping everyone that is trying to go long or short in the VWAP. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with today's trade, I took 30 around 30 tickets. So that is what I want. I don't want to take more than, I mean, the last 4 tickets I took was on this. I gave back like $50 here, trying to go long, short and long on the VWAP. So I'm really proud of the way I trade today. I trade with the small sizes. I never traded more than 300 shares. So, because this is what I'm gonna do in the simulator. I'm sure I'm gonna start with 200, at maximum 400, but I'm not gonna go above that. I have to be really profitable first with 200, or even breaking even after commissions with 200 shares, and then thinking about making profit with 300, 400 shares. And when I'm really good at this game with 400 shares, I will be incrementing my share size. So so yeah, this is the video recap for today. I hope tomorrow I have a not a green day. I think I want to trade as I trade today, really waiting and really taking trades, the opening range, clear opening range, or VWAP reversals, or false break, VWAP false breakout, and things like that. And also, you know, putting my own personal touch on the trades, because I have studied a lot, I have read a lot of books, watched a lot of videos, but I really like how Andrew trades. So I'm taking his advice, his strategies, but I'm also putting my personal touch on them. So this is it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next recap. Bye bye.